what a beautiful day it is. Hello, Thomas. Hello, with... Oh, that must be the new engine. Huh, I wonder what his name is. Hello, I'm Thomas. What is your name?
Ah, my name is Ralph. I came here from the mainland to help out.
I'm sorry, dude. There's nothing wrong going on today. You'll have to find out.
I can't find out. However, one of these days, you will go and be off with yourself.
Oh no, this engine is being very mean indeed. I wonder what he's going to do.
Yeah, what a bad day I'm having. I'm just doing my best as usual, I see. What could go wrong in the end? Never you mind. Oh, it's Edward. Hello, Edward.
Hello, Ralph. I see. If you take your coaches to another engine, you will go and get some trucks.
All right then, I will get some trucks from the yard sooner or later. But I must
Know about this? Ralph, if you say so.
Bah! I don't care.
Oh well, at least he'll get his daily comeuppance in the end.
Daily comeuppance indeed. Daily comeuppance indeed. Here at last. Here's Sir Toppermat.
Ralph, it is very cold today. It's very freezing. I need you to collect some trucks from the yards. And remember to go slow down every hill.
Yes, sir, but the trucks won't dare cause me a bit of trouble.
I know it's fine, Ralph. However, you better get to your jobs. I will be doing my jobs too.
All right. As a matter of fact, I better sort things out. Here I am in the yards. Oh, these trucks, including Scruffy, will dare play tricks on me. But they will, once and for all. All right then, if you insist. Now who's in for a little fun?
I am, yes, me, I'm in.
Excellent. Ha 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 ha. Silly trucks. Urgh. Come on. You trucks better be good or else. I'm gonna have to find it out sooner or later. Gosh darn signals. Why do you think we've stopped? Eh? Because I said, when we get to the top, push as hard as you can.
Oh yes, much regionality. Just you do it, or else. All right then.
Silly trucks indeed. What will happen next? Oh, look. This is the hill. I better go slow or else. Go slow or else. That's right. Uh-oh. What's happening?
Ralph, you need to go slow down the hill.
I don't care, driver.
I'm going to just think about it. Oh no! My brakes are not working. Yes, they are. Oh no! Help! I can't stop. Whoa! Help! Slow down, Ralph. You'll cause trouble.
Stop pushing me, you trucks. I've had enough.
Oh. Oh no! No, not the goods. Ah! Train. Oh no! Whoops. I didn't know that could happen to me or anyone else. Luckily, I don't think anyone is hurt. Alright, we're cleaning up the mess. Edward, you wait there. Oh look, help has come. Oh no. Ralph, you have not been very careful today. You have caused a big accident in the yards. I know, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Ralph, whenever you have been mended, you will be shunting coaches for tender engines till you can learn how to pull trucks again. Yes, sir. So, I'm sorry to bother you.